Okay, so today I just want to make a quick video about polymorphism in Java. So I just wrote some code for this. We have three classes: weapon as a superclass of sword and gun. We have only one method, hit, and this class just override this method, the hit method. Okay. So how polymorphism work? So before I show you how it works, just show you like the simple code, like we call W for the weapon, like that, and W1 I call hit, and then the sword maybe S1 and gun G1, right? Okay, just a simple code. So now I want to show you how polymorphism works. Okay, so the way it works is that now you have the parent, and I call W2, but at this time you don't point to weapon, you point it to the subclass sword. Okay, and then you call it like this. Okay, and let's see the result for this. Again, no, it just doesn't go the second one. Okay, so a katana cuts up sharply. It means that the code called to the hit of the sword here. So now you can see the magic. You can point it to gun, then you can call hit. Okay. So the first time W2 point to sword, and it called the hit method of the sword. The second time point to gun and call it to the gun. But you might ask, like, what is the point of that? Because this code just works the same way. All right, so let me do the I don't see why there is no autocomplete code here. Just do this. Okay, so these three lines just work the same way. Why we have to bother to do this? The reason is that now the W2 object can point to a different class instance. For this one, it doesn't work. So let me show you. So let me do this. And now W1, okay. Let's say, no. I commented the wrong code. This one. The sword, okay. And then you don't do that, okay. You just call S1 and then you point to gun, okay, and then you call S1 hit, and let's see only this line of code. Okay, you can see now it says that incompatible type gun cannot be converted to sword. It means that this object belongs to sword, okay. You cannot change it to a new object gun, a new class gun. All right. So that is the reason that we have to use polymorphism. Here is polymorphism. It means that this object can change because these two inherit from weapon. It means that sword and gun are weapon. Okay, and this one is a different type because the object S1 is sword. You cannot change it to gun. It's a different object. Okay. And even better, you can imagine like in the real world, in the real game, for example, you maybe like first person shooting. You have first you have a sword, and then you want to change to gun. Now you can just change it easily like that. Okay, and then you can add it to a list. For example, a list of weapon, and maybe you can just call list a new array list. Okay, but we have to import, or maybe array. Maybe it's better. It's okay. Yeah, I don't have any code completion. Why is that? Okay. Yeah, whatever. Maybe just array is okay. Yeah. Okay. Now you can put sword in here, and also you can put gun in here. Okay. Uh, Cannot find symbol new. Okay. All right. And then in here you can even call like for each to make it shoot. Okay. And in list like this, and just call hit. Okay. Like this. So you can see now the a sword and a gun can be a member of a weapon array, or list of weapon, and then you can just do it all together at once. So that is the point of polymorphism. It means that you can switch the instance of a class from one to another, while the normal class cannot. You cannot call S1 to new gun. You cannot do that. But because uh, if you declare an object to a parent, to a superclass, now you can switch to these two. All right, but if you call an object from this and then point to this, you cannot do that. Okay, and that is the way in like Flutter works. All right, like you can have a lot of widget and different kind of widget at the same layout, or the same object, and it can just work. It has a lot of usage in Flutter. All right, so this is just a short example of using polymorphism in Java. So I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.